Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Doggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from the Tank Museum in Bovington, UK. So feel free to check them out. The Tank Museum in Bovington. They have a large collection of military vehicles, AFVs, IFVs, towed pieces, etc. Lots of displays. They also have events during the year, so check their calendar, website, gift shop, online store, all that sort of good stuff. Again, Tank Museum, Bovington. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. I'm thinking scissors along with tape here. So let's take this set right here. Let's see if this separates on its own. Yep. Let's try from this side. Okay. Let's see. I'll have to come across the top here. There's a box in here too, so I'm not too worried about overcutting the bag. Make sure there's nothing in here. Okay. And real quick, look at the logo, Tank Museum. So this part here, cut through some more tape. Seal here. Okay. So what this is a reprint package of two separate books. So this is interesting. This is now a kind of collection here between the two books. So you can see here we have this outer case box. And on the back, you can see here, first published in 1998 and 1990 respectively, but unavailable for many years. British Military Transport and Moving the Guns are back in print in these fully revised and redesigned new editions. In British Military Transport, author David Fletcher does more than simply describe the vehicles and their evolution. He relates vehicle design to political and military events and to developments on Civvy Street, explaining how the campaigns of both world wars influenced the ways in which transport was used. Moving the Guns by Philip Ventham and David Fletcher chronicles the story of the mechanization of the Royal Artillery, describing the development of the means to move guns in warfare from the early experiments of the Victorians through the First World War and interwar period to the beginning of the Second World War. Turn it over this way, you can see a stylized logo for the Tank Museum, no text. At this end, likewise, but with text. Same on this side. If we were actually to stand this on a bookshelf, this would be the binding, British Military Transport. And then flipping it over on the other side is Moving the Guns. So kind of reminiscent of those kind of double novel sets that you flip over to read the other novel type of thing. So opening up the flap, carefully removing the contents. Nothing in the box. It does open up this way. I'm going to set this to the side. Okay, so here we have a certificate of authenticity from 2022 signed by the authors. including David Fletcher, MBE, and Philip Ventham. A little display there, a little bit of a description of the certificate about these being republished out of print titles. And I do believe there is another one there. So one for each one. And then the books themselves. They are soft cover bound, edge bound, so you can see the titles there, respectively. Back covers, a little bit of illustrations, descriptive text, period photos, typical historical type of publication, Tank Museum logos, barcodes, author information. Front covers, very nice. These are quite hefty too. We'll just take a look at it quickly at the table of contents. There's our publication information, and already we have period photos, lots of text, index, thanks page, very nice. So here we have our participants who supported this publication, the reissue, and coin index, and more photos back like this way. Let's take a look at this one real quick. So, title page, contents set up a little bit differently with a large gate photo there. Publication information, as well as the caption for the picture. Do a super fast flip through. You can see lots of period photos, text to back everything up. Should be getting into, looks like we have some appendices here. Index, as well as the thanks page to all the participants in this republication project. And back covers. So, again, quick unboxing, unbagging of reissue publication of British Military Transport and Moving the Guns from the Tank Museum. So feel free to check them out. Tank Museum. They have a large variety of armored fighting vehicles, infantry fighting vehicles, towed pieces, displays, live events during the year, the museum itself, gift shop. I believe there is a restaurant there as well. Don't hold me to that. Things may change. And the online store, of course, where I got these. So feel free to check them out. Again, this has been another unboxing, unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics, as well as a series of book review media reviews, which this will be related to, and also a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.